Ano nga ba ang mga usual mistakes sa tanong na, why should we hire you? Ouch! My name is Kuya Deej and tara, I have some tips and tricks just for you. Sa mga fresh grads natin and new job seekers, ito ang madalas na encounter nating tanong, why should we hire you? Most of the time, we answer this question by saying, because I want to learn, I want to gain experience, I want to be part of the organization. Okay lahat ng sagot sa mga tanong na yan. Kung show to ni Kuya Will. Real talk lang tayo ha. Aray! Most companies, they're not really interested on what you want from their organization. They are more interested on what you can bring to the organization. During your employment, you will definitely learn and you'll definitely gain experience and many more. Kaya there's no need to mention that during interviews. In the real meaning sa tanong na why should we hire you, it means bakit ikaw ang dapat piliin sa lahat ng candidates na nag-apply para sa role na to. So ngayon, bago ka pumunta sa interview mo, I have 3 important tips for you. Unang-una, basahin mo yung job description. Tandaan mo, na-invite ka sa interview, hindi dahil cute ka, cute, but because meron sila nakita sa resume mo na pasok sa hinahanap nila. Second, i-compare mo yung job description sa resume mo. Ano yung mga hinahanap nila, anong qualifications o educational background ang meron ka na pasok sa hanap nila. Ang third at pinaka-importante sa lahat, mag-practice ka sa bahay, sa harapan ng salamin o kaya using your selfie camera sa iyong mobile device para masanay kang sagutin ang tanong na ito. Bakit nga ito mahalaga? Kasi sa tanong na, why should we hire you? Marami ka nang masasagot during an interview. Always remember, walang perfect na sagot sa mga tanong during an interview, but it's always good to be prepared. For more tips, tricks, and amazing trips, follow, like, or comment below. Life is hard, kaya tara, let's figure things out together.